Now we are back to the character. In a nHair, go to the samples, means the hair example, and this is the default examples. You can click anything from here. Okay, maybe I can try with this one. Straight hair. Now this is our character and this is the default hair. So we need to fit this hair into this character. Make sure that you scale the character and shape it something like this. And then parent this to this. Parent the base shape. Base shape is this. You can see this is the base shape, so you can move this. So entire hair system is moved. Okay, how it looks when you render. Okay, now we'll just play it out to see the simulation. Simulation is good. I render now. Okay, it's an Arnold, so change the Arnold into the software and click the render. My character is rendering, but this character is not rendered because I think the hair color is black. Go to the alpha mode to check the hair. Okay, now I need to change the color of the background. To change the color of the background, select the camera like this, view, select camera, or just click this one and go to the attributes and go here to the camera background color. I'd like to change into a light blue, something like this. Okay, maybe white, it's fine. Now paint effects will render. Go closer to check. This is already pre-loaded characters. Now select this one and pair it to this. Suppose if I want to move my character, for example, so just characters moving like shaking the head, something like this. Go to the first frame, select the base of the hair, pull it like this and can scale it, try to fit, and select the base shape, press P for parenting. Now play. Okay, this is going inside of this, so select the base, passive collider, play. So when characters moves, your hair will follow. Now select the character alone. So I select everything and delete it. Suppose I want to create a nHair for this as a manually. So select this one, nHair, go to the option, reset your settings and click create. You see, nHair has created. But the point is, it will create everywhere, isn't it? So I'll undo this. I need to properly select the particular area. So select the particular area where we need the hair and go to the modeling. Then go to the mesh and edit mesh and click the extract. You can see this one separated from this. So exactly it will fit. This and this exactly will fit, so no need to adjust anything. So select this one and create the nHair. Okay, change this one to the FX, nHair, go to the option, edit reset, make sure that I'm increasing more, 20 into 20. But for your case, try to decrease the counts. Maybe your system will get hang. You can see this clamp. It's very simple now. Already you know the options. Increase the clamp width. Okay, increasing the clamp width and then the clamp edge and then thinning and then little bit of subsegments and play. Here it's going inside. So we know what to do. Select the object, passive collider.